Ready, paragraph start. Mr. Nehru said that India needed a big plan because it was only through major projects they could hope to develop the country. There might be a serious crisis if at the end of the third plan there was shortage of steel. Some of the power produced should be reserved for rural areas. Paragraph referring to the progress of the plans, Mr. Nehru said that during the last 10 years of the two plans, many things have been done here in spite of failures in some places. It may be truly said that a foundation for rapid progress in future has been well laid. Paragraph referring to education, Mr. Nehru said it should be made available to every student of merit. The base of the ideal of equality was education. He commanded the Madras scheme of midday meals for children attending schools and suggested that other states could adopt it with suitable modification. He emphasized the basic importance of education in any kind of progress and that they should aim at making education available to every boy and girl of merit, both at the school and college stages. They should have schemes of scholarship to students on a big scale for giving opportunity to those intellectually and otherwise fit to take advantage of them. While the plan should keep this in view, they should see that in the pursuit of regional development, they might not be impeded in the general development of the country at large. Paragraph it was well recognized by people who had given deep thought to the problem that it was only through major public enterprise that the country could go ahead fast. The question of private and public sectors was more theoretical, and the test to be applied was what was advantageous to the nation. They were not interested in private fortunes being made because these increased inequality among the people of India. Both the public and private sectors had a definite place. Stop.